In this video, we're gonna do a quick unboxing of Samsung Galaxy A27. I'm gonna show you what we can find inside, what accessories do we get, and I'm gonna also quickly show you how the phone looks like. So once we open the box, this is how it looks like. First, we have our phone, which I'm gonna place on the side for a second, because first I want to focus on this paper box that is included. So at the back of this box, we have the SIM eject tool, which you can use in order to, of course, eject the SIM tray from your phone. We can also open this paper box, for example, here from the bottom side. Let's see if I can easily do so. There we go. And inside, we will find pretty much everything that is included inside the box with the phone. So for example, we can find the USB cable. It is USB-C to USB-C. Which of course allows us to charge our phone and transfer data, for example. But also, in addition to that, we have a little bit of documentation. So we have the warranty card, quick start guide, and there we go. That's pretty much everything. And now let's quickly take a look at the phone itself as well. And there it is. So I have chosen this beautiful pink color. And of course, at the back, we have our cameras and the flashlight. On the right side, we can find our buttons, the power button and volume up buttons. On the left side, we can find the SIM tray over here. Let's take a look at the top. At the top, we have this little dot, which I can assume that this is the microphone. And also here at the bottom, we have the USB-C port, the microphone, and speakers. And that is pretty much it, simple as that. Leave a like and subscribe.